how to redirect domain temporarily in cpanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cpanel dashboard. Now look for the Domains section. To redirect domain in cpanel, click Redirects under the Domain section. And in this page, you can add domain redirection. Under Type, you have two options. Select the temporary option to redirect the domain for a shorter period. For instance, if your site is under maintenance, or testing a new site, or checking tools or themes. Next, in this field, select the domain added in cpanel that you wish to redirect to the other domain. Now, in the Redirects to field, enter the domain to which you want to redirect your domain. Below that, always select Redirect with or without www. This makes sure all visitors are properly redirected. Finally, click the Add button below. And done, redirecting domain temporarily in cpanel. You can confirm it. Redirecting domain temporarily. You can see that the Cosmo Carrot domain has been temporarily redirected to the designer site domain successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.